welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been a minute. And you guys, like, I'm tired of saying, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I need to find something to say, okay? Because I am tired of it. But anyway, you guys, I have over like 70 more new subscribers than I had last time I posted my video. So if you are new here, hi, welcome. And if you are back, hey girl, what's good? But yeah, you guys, I have a really exciting video today. I'm like looking at my stuff right now. But so me and my girl BK is what I call her, we decided to do a collaboration, and our first collaboration is a box swap. So if you don't know what a box swap is, it is that you and a fellow partner, friend, YouTuber pick a theme and basically give each other mystery boxes of the theme you chose. So for example, if like the one that we watched and got inspired by was a quarantine box swap. So the theme was quarantine, and they gave each other both boxes and just basically gave each other things that you would need during quarantine. So our theme is astrology, zodiac signs. She's a Gemini, I'm an Aquarius, and if you know anything about astrology, you do know that Gemini and Aquarius are very compatible on every single level, on a relationship level, a friendship level, any type of level, and we call each other Aquamanai sisters. So I am super excited to see what she got me. She already did her video, and I don't know when she's uploading it, but I told her I am filming my video today, sis. So I am filming the video today, okay? So yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna talk too much because I really don't have much to say, but I do want to let you guys know that I am filming again tomorrow. So I will have like back-to-back videos going out. I probably won't do it like literally back-to-back, but like probably like a week and a half post my video, and then like a week and a half later post another video. So yeah, sis, let's get into the video. And I really miss being on YouTube. Like, I was talking to my man and he's like, you need more videos, and I'm like, I know. So I am seriously trying to be consistent, you guys, but just bear with me. I got a lot of shit going on in my world. So we're just gonna get right into the video, and I will see you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, so I'm going to actually start with the box. So it's this cute little box, you guys. Oh, it has my name, Britt, on it. And how cute is she? So side note, you guys. So I am not good with gifts or presents or things like that. So it was so funny because when we were trading our boxes, mine was in a literal like brown ugly box, and she came with the pretty box and like the nice like packaging or presentation. So sis gets a 10 for her presentation, and I get a -10, period. Okay, so please don't clown my box when y'all see her video. My box was a literal box, sis, but it's okay, sis. It's okay. Period. Okay, you guys. So let's dig into the box and let's see what she got me. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys. So we are opening the box. The top came off. Okay. And the first little box in here is this box. Oh my god, you guys, I just feel so bad for my presentation because hers is so pretty. She really put things in boxes, but you know what? It is what it is, okay? Oh, look how cute. Oh, you guys, this little cute coin pouch. Oh my god, look how cute she is. And it's cute. I mean, and it's cute. It is cute. But it's kind of crazy because I am Asian, and this just 100% reminds me of like a cute little Asian kitty, you guys. So freaking cute. Britt, aww. And then it came with, oh, look how cute this is. Like a little lipstick chapstick holder, you guys. And it has a little mirror. Oh my god. So cute, you guys. I love this. So cute, Britt. All right, you guys. So that was the little box number one that's in this box. Now we have a cute little purple box. Oh my god, so cute. Like, this presentation is so cute, guys. Okay, this one has tape on it, so give me a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside, and it looks like she left me a little note. So let's see. Oh, and the note came with a little present. So let's see what it is. She is so cute. Oh my God. Aquarius stones and uses. So it says Amazonite, I think that's how you say it, opens inspiration slash soothing, aquamarine combat depression, release emotion, and hematite grounding stone. Oh, so I believe it's a stone from reading what I just read. Oh my God, guys, my hair, it's everywhere. Jesus. Oh, look. Some cute little stones. And it's so funny because when I drop my next video, like, I've actually been reading a book on stones. It's so crazy. But look, so these are the 3 stones. Well, it's 4 in here, but oh my God, I cannot wait to add them to my little collection. I'm actually gonna put a little picture of my collection, sis. I'm starting, but oh my God, Britt, thank you so much for giving me these stones. It really means a lot because if you know me, you know that I am super into you know, stones and crystals and things like that. So I'm so excited. How cute. Okay, so this came with this, and I'm going to read it. It says, Aquarius can often become detached from their emotions. The moonstone helps bring Aquarius back in touch with their emotions. Emotional balance brings out intuition, relieves stress, and calms the mind. Oh my God. How cute, you guys. This is like so cute. I love that she left the little notes. Dude, like, she just killed my box, you guys. Like, killed my box. Okay. Shoot. Super excited to see it. Let's see what is. Oh, how cute. So it's a little necklace, you guys. A moonstone necklace. Oh my God, so cute with this little note. Dude, Brittany is so cute. Oh my God, Brittany, thank you so much, sis. My real Aquemanized sister, dude. Like, everything she got me. And it's so crazy because we met for lunch a couple weeks ago to give each other our boxes. And we were talking about literally everything that is in this box right now. Like, we were talking about just, you know, like stones and growing our own food and just things like this. So I am just so excited, dude. Like, so thoughtful. Like, seriously, so thoughtful, Britt. Thank you so much, sis. And the next thing she got me is this cute little pink box, and it came with this note. So we are going to read the note before we open. Since the beginning of time, we have created a strong tie between plants in the zodiac. Here are the herbs that are connected to you. Aquarius: rosemary, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and thyme, antibacterial, and antifungal. Oh my God, these gifts are just so thoughtful. Like, okay, so we opened our little pink box. And the first one we're gonna open is this. Oh my God. How cute is this little, like, oh my God, literally, you guys, I was just telling her how I want to start growing like my own little basil and mints, and look at what she got me. A little pot to start growing my, look at what she got me, you guys. A little pot of thyme. I am so, oh my God. It smells so good. I am like so excited about this. Like, we were just literally talking about that at lunch. And you guys, our lunch was amazing. We talked, we vibed, we laughed, we got serious. Like, just meeting with her, just, it was the best, you guys. Like, that is seriously my girl. Like, that is my girl. And I'm so grateful that she came into my life, honestly. All right, you guys. So we're opening the next little baby that was in here, and her wrapping is so cute. And this is the rosemary, another pot. Oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna ask her where did she get these, because how freaking cute are these? Like, seriously. And it looks beginner friendly, because we all know I live in Vegas. I ain't no planter, okay? Okay, so this little baby came with a note. So let's read our note. So cute. She's so cute. She is so cute. Okay, so our note is, because you're so charming. So cute. Why is she so cute? Because you're so charming. Okay. She wrapped these good, y'all, because I cannot get these little things open for nothing. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh my goodness. So this right here is my birthstone. Like a little charm to put on a bracelet or a necklace. And then look, my Aquarius little sign, you guys. Well, that's not the actual Aquarius sign, but that's like in the stars. Oh my god, how freaking cute. I cannot wait to put these on my necklaces. It's so crazy because I had just bought some plain necklaces from Amazon, like just plain chains. So like, wow, the universe is so crazy. Britt, how cute, girl. I just love how all of these gifts were so cute and thoughtful. Like, she really thought about the gifts. And, like, I'm just, like, in awe right now, girl. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're opening this one. And it came with another little note. Oof, sis, my back has been hurting. This is... Don't be thirsty. So let's see what's in this one. Don't be thirsty. How cute. She got me some K Beauty mask, you guys. Because if you don't know, I am Korean. And how cute are these? So this one is lovely strawberry and white rose. Thank you, Britt. K Beauty. Yes, sis. Yes. And it's so funny because I told her I wanted to try some K Beauty products. So she is just so cute, and she really listens. Like, because everything that I'm naming in our conversation, sis had got me. And it's funny because she had got it for me before we even have the conversation. So it just shows how much like we're in tune with each other and how much we kind of know each other, you know. All right, you guys, so now we are going into the bag. So the first thing I pulled out is this little baby here, and it came with another note. And it says, beach please when the water barrier needs a break. Because Aquarius is the sign of the water barrier. Oh my god, what a cute, cute, cute freaking box flop, you guys. Like, I am just so in awe. Like, look how cute this is. And it's a mermaid, because you know my sign always has the mermaids. Oh my god, how cute, Britt. Oh my god, Britt, I just love you, sis. Thank you so much. Okay, so our next little thing is this that's in our bag. So let's see what we got. Oh my god, you guys, look how cute. It has like little seashells, and it says seize the day. Because if you guys know, Aquarius is all about the water barrier and being in water. So how cute. I could drink my wine on the beach, sis. Just saying. She already knows the vibes, okay? All right, you guys, and I do see another little note in here. Aww. When she was writing down her notes for the YouTube collab. How cute. Okay. So we're gonna do this baby next. We got another note. She's so cute and she's so creative. Like, I can never be this creative. Like, I could never. Like, I didn't even think about doing all this cute stuff. Okay, you guys. So when, hold on, when being an air sign becomes too much, blow the haters away. Bye, Felicia. She's so cute. I literally cannot with her. So let's see what this is. She said, bye, Felicia. She's so funny. Oh, how cute. This little mini fan. Hello Kitty, you guys. Oh my God, so cute. And I need this, sis. I need this. I be hot, okay? I be hot, period. Forever my Aquamanized sister. Aww. Let's see what this is. Oh my God, you guys, it is literally a picture of me and her at work. I look a little crazy, so I'm trying to cover myself. But Britt, how cute. I'm literally putting this right on my stand right now. Like, so cute, Britt, and so thoughtful. Love her so much. All right, guys. So now we're gonna open these two little babies, and then we have one more. Oh my God, this is 18 minutes. How am I ever going to edit this video, you guys? I get crazy trying to edit a 10-minute video. Chris has taught me a lot of patience when it comes to editing because, sis, I'll be like, I cannot, okay? Like, jeez. Okay. Oh, shoot, I'm messing up the packaging. Look how cute this is for important note-taking. A little pin, guys, a cute little special pin. How cute. And it did come with this, so let's see. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look how cute. So it has like all of the different signs. That's a Gemini. That's my Aquarius sign, the water barrier. Oh my God, how cute is this little book with my little pen? Oh my God, such a cute little gift. And I really needed that. I needed that one. Oh my God. Britt just blew me away. Actually, we don't have one left. I thought that was. But oh my God, Britt just blew me away. I love you so much, girl. Thank you. Like, I am like in awe. I'm kind of speechless. All of these gifts were so meaningful, and I'm just really appreciative, and I'm so grateful again to have you in my life, Britt, and you will forever be my Aquamanized sister and one of my favorite Geminis. So yeah, you guys, Brittany killed her box swap. I literally love every single thing she has gotten me, and I'm just like, oh my God, I cannot wait to grow my freaking thyme and my rosemary, you guys. I think this is what I'm most excited about, I'm gonna be honest, because I've been wanting to grow some freaking herbs. So Britt, thank you so much again, girl. I love you, and I kind of want to do it again, sis, because I want to step up my packaging. Okay, I want to step up my packaging, and I want to go in like you did. All right, you guys, so I will list her channel below in the description box, so you can go to her channel and watch the video and see what I got for her. I can tell you right now, she absolutely killed it with all of her notes. Her gifts were super meaningful, and like her freaking presentation and her packaging was just beautiful. So Britt, thank you so much for putting so much effort and time into this. I'm so sorry that I did not have the presentation you have. You know, I am not creative, or like, you know, I don't do all, I just don't do shit like that. So I literally was like, oh, box swap. So we literally put everything in a box and we swap. Like, that was literally my idea. But thank you, Britt, and thank you guys for watching. Again, you guys, I do have a video coming out. It's gonna be my Amazon favorites, so look out for that video, and thank you guys for watching.